Good evening, Buckeye Nation. I'm meteorologist Eric DoBroka. Here's a look at your Buckeye TV weather forecast for this March 26th. Here's a live shot of downtown Columbus. It's very dreary and gray, but we can't complain after what we had yesterday, can we? Currently it's 44 degrees, it's misty and raw. Winds are out of the northwest at 4 miles per hour. We have a very low barometric pressure of 29.8 inches, as we just had low pressure move off to our east. Dew point is at 40 degrees, and so far for the day, we've picked up roughly 1/3 of an inch of rain. Your Buckeye radar looks like this now. We do have some snow showers off to our north, off the Great Lakes, and the heavier band of rain is now well off to our southeast in West Virginia. And we just have, looks like, one other band of rain that will come through later on this evening. Looking at your National Light satellite and radar, we can see the back edge of our clouds from this system right around the Chicago area. Some of that dry air will try to work its way into central Ohio later on today. Otherwise, in southern Florida, they are getting socked with some rainfall there. Definitely, they don't need any more in that area. Current temperatures. We have a temperature of 70 degrees in Charlotte, North Carolina, 46 degrees in Louisville. And yes, it is right along this thermal contrast where we have one of our two cold fronts. You can see this depicted on our surface analysis. Actually, the Buckeye State sits right in between these two cold fronts. The air off to our south and east is very tropical. We sit in the chilly air, as parts of the country off to our north are in the brutally Arctic air once again. And yes, current wind chills, we're talking about wind chills in almost April. It's because of that secondary Arctic front. And behind it, we have temperatures -10, the real feel in Marquette, Michigan. Everywhere else you see pink, they are in the single digits for the current wind chills. Some good news though, we have a diminishing current snow depth. Other than our northeast, which has gotten pummeled all winter with snowstorms, the rest of the country is relatively snow-free, whereas only 16.5% of the country is covered with snow. Here's a look at your forecast for tonight. We can expect a low of right around 28 degrees. The showers will slowly end. Yes, it is possible to see some light flurries as well. The air behind us will be turning much colder as the winds out of the north and west will be strengthening. Your surface analysis for tomorrow will look like this. Both of the cold fronts will be exiting off the east coast, whereas high pressure in Iowa will be slowly coming our way for the weekend. Planning your day for tomorrow, to sum it up in one word, it will be cold. Actually, mid-January level temperatures, as we will be 20 to 25 degrees below the normal. Starting out your day, 8 a.m., around 28 degrees with some isolated flurries, and we're not going to be moving very far in the temperature department tomorrow, actually holding steady in the low 30s. Here's a look at your 5-day forecast now. Tomorrow night, we drop to below freezing once again, a low of 27 degrees. Saturday, yes, we pick up our winter-like chill again as a high of 37 degrees. With another night, probably the coldest night of the weekend will be Saturday, lows near 20. Sunday, we reach 50 degrees. We start picking up on our milder air, as on Monday, we reach 53 just with some light showers. And Tuesday, some finally seasonal air will come back into central Ohio. I'm Buckeye TV meteorologist Eric DoBroka. Thank you for watching.